Hey, JD Kennedy here, LA County Air Show with Jake Nelson and the entire band raising money for the Flight Test Historical Foundation at Jethawk Stadium. We've had a great day today. Looking forward to another great performance with the Blue Angels, the Red Bull Air Force, and a whole long list of performers up at Fox Field tomorrow. But tonight, we've got a Meet the Performers night here with Jacob Nelson. Let him tell you a little bit about it.
Yeah, we're going to be, we're doing a little mini concert here ahead of the meet and greet with everybody, and all the performers from today's show are going to be here, and they're going to be able to meet and greet with the public and say hi to everybody. So this is a really awesome use, beautiful night here at Jethawk Stadium, and we could not be more proud to be a part of this.
Yeah, so very cool. I'm sure everybody's all pumped up about the air show. Who's been out there today? Who's going tomorrow? We'll be over there. Hopefully the next show down. Hey, we're going to have tonight, the Flight Test Historical Foundation to raise funds to support the development of the Air Force Flight Test Museum at Edwards, and it would be nice to one day be able to visit it again, don't you think? Absolutely. We have a great night lined up and some a lot of highlights and notables and some great music, and I think we should just barrel on into it. All right, here we go. Give it up. He's a friend of ours. He's awesome, and you're going to walk away going, ooh, I got to get some more of his music. It's Jacob Nelson and the Tone Wranglers.
Hello, Lancaster! We ready to have a good time tonight, everybody? All right!
guy who has, well, he's been doing this a long time with aviation. He probably forgot more about aviation than we'll ever know. He is the master of ceremonies for the air show. Would you please welcome Rick Peterson? Rick, come on!
Oh, big D. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? First of all, thank you to Jason Nelson and the Tow Wranglers. Are they not amazing? And thank you for supporting the Flight Test Historical Foundation. This group is going to make those important airplanes over at Edwards accessible again to you and I, not just the Jayhawks here and the airplane that we usually see out front of the hangar, but all of the airplanes have made such an impact on how far forward we've all come when it comes to flight. Here he comes, ladies and gentlemen, number one of the United States Navy's doing.
Teamwork is truly the foundation of the Blue Angels, and without it, we just couldn't do what we do. We're also part of an air show team. All these great performers are here. It's been a challenging year last year. We're just thrilled to be doing this again. And I want to thank you guys all, the volunteers here, the community. You're part of this team as well, because you all made this air show happen. We moved the dates up 6 months. It was a very short notice thing, and because of the efforts of the volunteers and efforts of Dennis Dunbar and Liz Johnson, you guys made this air show happen. We're just really excited to be here. So I'd like to give all of you guys a round of applause for making this happen. Thank you so much. You know, most people are surprised when I tell them there's 130 people on our team, but it's their efforts to make those jets fly every day. They're at work before we are. They're staying late to fix those jets. And without the collective efforts of all the folks on our team, we just wouldn't be able to make this happen.